Standard 8th Science subject, lesson number 3, Force and Pressure. Today's topic is pressure on solids. Means pressure exerted on solid, not by solids. Solid substance, any solid substance, metal, wood, plastic, anything that is made up of all these things, or paper, books, cardboard, anything which is solid. If we keep some any other object on it, pressure will be exerted on solids. So who exerts this pressure? It is the air, our atmosphere. See, air is present all around us, and this air has pressure. Air, it is called air pressure. So air pressure is exerted on all the objects which come in contact with the air. When a weight is kept on a solid, pressure is exerted on it. I told you this. If we keep anything on a solid substance, then pressure will be exerted on that substance. And this pressure, it depends upon the weight of that object which we have kept, and how much place or how much area the object is occupying. Try to understand this with the help of this picture. See, there is a table, wooden table. It is a solid object. On this there are some books kept, 4 books. Now if you see this picture, the total space that the books are occupying will be this plus this plus this plus this. This is the area occupied by the books on the table. So pressure will be exerted by all 4 in this much space. Okay, next picture. Again there are 4 books, but see the space that they are occupying on the table. It is only this much, and weight will be of all 4, but that all 4 books weight is concentrated in only this much space. So by this picture they are trying to tell you about how force or weight of pressure is related. Next is pressure of liquid. Now this topic has been reduced from your syllabus, but just for your understanding, remember that liquids also have pressure, and it is called as liquid pressure or pressure of liquid. Liquids also exert pressure on the substance in which they are present. For example, in this bottle, there is a bottle filled with water, and there are 3 holes at 3 different levels. One is below, very much lower, the second one is little higher, and the third one is more higher. And with the help of picture they are trying to tell you that water is moving out, and if you see the speed of the water, then the water which is at lower level, the hole which is at the lowest point, the pressure of the water will be higher, more water will be thrown out. So what does this tell you? It tells you that liquids exert pressure. Because of that pressure, the speed of flow of water will be more.